We want to get you the latest now on the Penn State child sex abuse scandal as we hear from the suspect in his own words for the very first time.
In an interview, former football coach Jerry Sandusky said he made mistakes but is innocent of the charges against him. He said, I quote, "I enjoy young people. I love to be around them, but no, I'm not sexually attracted to young boys." Chief Investigative Correspondent Armin Kantayan is in State College, Pennsylvania, with more for us this morning. Armin, good morning.
Good morning, Chris. In a lengthy telephone interview with NBC broadcaster Bob Costas, Sandusky painted a very different picture of the alleged abuse, denying he had ever molested or raped any young boys.
I say that I am innocent of those charges. Well, I could say that, I have done some of those things. I have horsed around with kids. I have showered after workouts. I have hugged them, and I have touched their leg without intent of sexual contact.
More people are going to have some stories.
Pennsylvania Attorney Benjamin Andreozzi, who represents one of the alleged victims in the scandal, told CBS News his client suffered years of sexual abuse by Sandusky, who he met through Sandusky's Second Mile charity. Can you characterize the kind of abuse your client allegedly sustained?
Severe.
Severe. Over a number of years?
Over a period of time, he suffered severe sexual abuse. Mr. Sandusky built a relationship with my client, and I believe that he used that relationship with the Second Mile program and with the university to his advantage, so he could essentially stalk and prey on these victims, including my client.
Sandusky stands accused of abusing at least 7 other boys between 1994 and 2009. Last night, his attorney again defended his client while admitting that Sandusky did shower with young boys.
I mean, I wouldn't do it. I'm sure you wouldn't do it.
I would not.
I would feel uncomfortable doing it, but Jerry did that. But that's a far different thing than saying he got showers with kids than saying that he committed these other acts, which the prosecution has alleged he did.
Legal experts say some of the victims, all under the age of 30, face limited options. Under state law, if the alleged abuse happened before 2002, the victim had until the age of 20 to file a civil suit. If it was after 2002, they have until their 30th birthday. Andreozzi disagrees.
No, I don't really see any legal roadblocks whatsoever for my client or for any of the victims in this case.
On Monday, Second Mile's CEO, Dr. Jack Rakovitz, stepped down after 28 years in the best interests of the organization. In a statement, Rakovitz said he hoped his decision would lead to a restoration of faith in the charity.
And just imagine how those victims felt when they knew that someone saw what was happening to them and didn't come forward, didn't stop it, didn't listen to them. As the New York Times reported, as many as 10 additional victims have come forward, and the people we are talking to said almost assuredly there are more to come. Chris?
CBS's Armin Kantayan at Penn State for us this morning. Armin, thank you. Well, this morning, the future of President Obama